guys, what's up? It's me Stuti. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, आपको मेरे इस लुक से पता ही चल गया होगा कि today's video is about makeup. It's a tutorial of this look. And this look is inspired by my favorite Peepa Barnes and Shweta Bindre. So yeah, another thing, if you are following me on Instagram, so आपने मेरे कुछ दिन पहले स्टोरी देखी होगी जिसमें मैंने नायका से जो ऑर्डर किए थे सम मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स वो कुछ दिन पहले जाके डिलीवर हुए हैं, जो कि कितने दिन पहले मैंने ऑर्डर किया था एंड वो फंसे हुए थे. सो उसका छोटा सा हॉल भी है इसमें. मैं मेकअप करते करते बताती जाऊंगी, दिखाती जाऊंगी. एंड या कुछ उसमें प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ एक दो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आए हैं एंड इट्स फाइन. ऑल्सो देयर आर सम मोर प्रोडक्ट्स, अराउंड 6 to 7 प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि मैंने तभी ऑर्डर किए थे एंड वो अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुए हैं, फंसे हुए हैं. सो या I'm waiting for that too. So without any wasting time, let's get into the video.
Starting with this Color Bar Primer, the first product from Nykaa. I'm using the old one only because it's not over yet. So yeah. The another product from Nykaa is this palette from Maybelline New York. It's a Master Camouflage Concealer palette. I'm using this orangish shade, which is a corrector, to cover my under eye. Then I'm applying this banana shade corrector to cover my marks. This palette has these two shades of corrector, two shades of contour, which again I haven't used it, and two shades of highlights. I'm gonna try contour in my next makeup for sure. Then I'm applying this LA Girl का Pro Concealer in the shade Nude. It's also about to finish and मैंने ये order किया है. I don't know कब deliver होगा. Also I've ordered its orangish shade too, which is used to cover the under eye. The third product is this Lakme CC ka cream from Nykaa, but I'm not gonna use it today. The fourth one is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. And again, I'm using the old one because it's not over yet. Then I'm applying this compact from Studio West. The next product from Nykaa is this banana powder or say baking powder from Sugar. I'm using it for the first time and it's really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply concealer on my half of my eyebrows for the look. Guys, जितना ये easy दिख रहा है उतना बिल्कुल नहीं था. It was so difficult to hide the half eyebrows. And then I added that banana shade from that concealer palette too. Then I did my eyebrows from this L'Oreal Paris ka Pro Kit. Finally, from this Revolution ka eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take these two shades of blue for my eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna add this darkest shade of blue for the final look. And it's done. So I'm brushing off my baking powder now. Another product from Nykaa is Colorbar ka white kajal pencil, and with this I'm gonna make the flames of the fire for the look. Guys, as you can see, I don't have much space in between my eyes and my brows. That's why I'm making thick flames so that it looks big. And from that eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna apply this pink shade in the flames with this thin brush. Look at that. Now, another eye. And it's done. Now it's time for blush. I'm using this Lakme ka 9 to 5 blush. Okay, many of you guys suggested to use tint, so I'm gonna try that soon. The another product from Nykaa is this Lakme Iconic ka blue mascara. It's so good. I've used it before too. Okay, another product is this Maybelline ka Duo Stick, and it's my wrong choice, guys. It has this highlighter which is not good at all. See. And on the another side is contour, which I haven't used it yet. Now I'm gonna show you my rest of the products from Nykaa haul. So this is the matte lipstick liner. It's in maroonish shade. Shade mention ही नहीं किया है. The next is this red eyeliner from Colorbar. Next is this mascara. It has two shades. One is this simple black, and another is this reddish brown. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it soon. And the last product is this eyeliner in the shade Nude Pink, which is again from Maybelline. And I'm gonna apply it now. For the lipstick, I'm going for this Lakme 9 to 5 in the shade Rosy Sunday. Okay, this is the last product from Nykaa haul, my bad. It's makeup fixer from Huda Beauty and it's really good. So this is the final look.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Love you. Bye.